Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on clearing the Gmail search history on Android. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Gmail app and tap on the three horizontal lines button in the top left corner. Scroll down the menu that appears and tap on Settings. Then tap General Settings. Tap on the three vertical dots button in the top right corner. Then tap Clear Search History from the menu that appears. Tap Clear on the pop-up. Your Gmail search history will now be cleared. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Gmail tips and tricks.